और एक बार फिर रुख करते हैं रामनाथ गोयनका एक्सीलेंस इन जर्नलिज्म अवार्ड समारोह का, जहां प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी अवार्ड्स वितरित कर रहे हैं।
अवार्ड फॉर सिविक जर्नलिज्म।
The winner is Kristen Matthew Phillip from The Times of India.
Congratulations and thank you very much. Please be seated. The second award is in the category of Uncovering India Invisible. This category is sponsored by NABARD.
For print, the winner is Ashwaq Masoodi from Mint. And for broadcast, the winner is Sarada Lahangi from
Congratulations to both of you and thank you very much. Please be seated. The next set of awards is in the category of Hindi.
For print, the winner is Santosh Kumar from India Today. And for broadcast, the winners are Sanjay Nandan from ABP News and Saida Afifa Khatun from News 24.
Congratulations to all of you and thank you very much. I request you to please be seated. The next award is for the category of Books Non-Fiction. Krishan Chopra.
The winner is Akshaya Mukul for the book Gita Press and the Making of
Chopra, Chief Editor and Publisher, HarperCollins India, is collecting the award on his behalf. Congratulations, thank you very much. The next category is of regional languages.
For print, the winners are Feroz Khan M from Madhyamam Daily and Nilina Atholi from Matrubhumi. And for broadcast, the winner is Pramod Shastri Ji from TV9.
Congratulations to all of you. Thank you very much. Please be seated now. We now move on to the next category that accolades the best in the field of sports journalism. In the category of sports journalism,
for print, the winner is and for broadcast, the winner is Sanjeev Mukherjee from CNN IBN.
Hearty congratulations to both of you. Thank you very much and please be seated now. The next category of awards is for reporting from Jammu and Kashmir and the Northeast.
For print, the winners are Isha Roy from the Indian Express and Magdi Patla Rajashekhar from Scroll.in. And for broadcast, the winner is Subhajit Sen Gupta from CNN IBN.
Congratulations to all of you and thank you for being here. Please be seated now. The next set of awards is in the category of environmental reporting.
For print, the winners are Pritha Chatterjee and Aniruddha Ghoshal from the Indian Express. And for broadcast, the winner is Sushil C. Bahuguna from NDTV India.
Congratulations to all of you and thank you very much. Please be seated. The next set of awards is for business and economic journalism.